Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clear your search history on Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll see the search bar. Go ahead and click on it to open up your search interface. This is where Messenger stores all your recent search activity. Once you click on the search bar, you'll immediately see your recent searches displayed. This list shows all the people, conversations, or keywords you've searched for recently in Messenger. It's helpful for quick access, but sometimes you might want to clear this history for privacy reasons or simply to declutter your interface. Now, right beside your recent searches, you'll notice an option that says Edit. Click on this Edit button to access the controls for managing your search history. This opens up the editing mode where you can take action on your stored searches. After clicking Edit, look over to the right side of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Clear All. Go ahead and click on it. This option allows you to remove all your search history at once rather than deleting individual searches one by one, which saves you time and effort. Once you click Clear All, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is Messenger's way of making sure you actually want to delete your entire search history, preventing you from accidentally removing it. It's an important safeguard since this action cannot be undone. In the confirmation message, you'll see a button that says Clear Searches. Click on this button to finalize the action. This confirms your decision and immediately removes all your recent searches from the list. And that's it. Your search history on Facebook Messenger is now completely cleared, giving you a fresh start and more privacy in your messaging app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.